think I got new skin. I'm no longer a reptile. How the hell? Wait. Bird? What is going on, cousin? Welcome back. I am your favorite cousin Jess, back on your screen with another vlog, a day in the life. Spend the day with me. Just see what I do on a typical Thursday. Yeah. Good morning, cousin. Thankfully, the hardest part of the day, to get up, get out of the bed, come down here, workout is done and out of the way. So now on to the good stuff.
Told you so extra, but I know I'm the same. Yeah. Love me in spite of my trauma. Give me what I need instead of the drama. Cause when it pop off, it's like, oh my. All good all day, but the night we be going so hard on the flip side. So tell me what we on a day, babe. I could keep that same energy. When you go low, I go low too. But you'd rather stay high, I know you. Can we stay high, babe? I'd rather be on that way. Tryna control our emotions. If we on the right side of passion, we could share love in the ocean. But if you wanna go insane either way, baby, we could go all night.
So, typical Thursday involves forgetting that I ran out of coffee creamer yesterday. Hence, why I can't have coffee today. So it's just frozen yogurt with some granola and water. And work.
We could do it all night. We could go all night, all night. Do we heal, do we bleed? I'ma follow your lead, but we could go all night. Now all of my calls go to voicemail. I block you so I don't raise hell. Should've talked through it in detail. Our separate ways ain't gon' end well, no. But when we get back, it's like, oh my. All bad all day, but the night I get that good till we act right. So tell me what we on today, babe. I could keep that same energy.
Amazon. Order some things from Amazon just because, I don't know, I feel like people be like, they go to Target without a list and Target tells them what they need. I go on Amazon and Amazon literally shows me exactly what to put in my cart. It's that easy. So that's what I did. First up, I needed some more workout sets just because I'm really taking this ish seriously this year. And I just ordered this little bralette as well as some matching leggings to just work out in. Got that one set, got another, and I got black just because how the hell, wait Where? It's just the shirt. Like, where the pants at? Where the pants at, Amazon? I don't know, I'm gonna have to figure that out. That's weird as hell. Cause pretty sure I ordered a set. Cause why would I pay $21 and only get a shirt? That's weird. I'm gonna have to see about that. That just really blew me. Like, where the pants at? Nah, I gotta check. Cause, hold on. While that's loading, I bought one of them sets off of one of them sites. And it was brown, and I just wanted a nice little vest to go with it, so I ordered this one, and she real cute. Got me a little vest. Let me see. It is. That is weird as hell. Hold on. Clearly I didn't read, but the way they advertising it, it's like a set. I don't want no shirt for $21. I thought it was gonna be a shirt and some pants, like I did with the first one. That's going back. Besides clothes, I just wanted a steamer pot, y'all. I wanted a cute little steamer pot to set on my stove and also to just cook noodles and stuff in. And this is really cute. I don't know what these little Chinese symbols on the front mean, but I hope when I put fire to it, it don't release a demon or something. But yeah, a little steamer pot. Could make Gia noodles in it, or just, you know, make a little scented cinnamon lemony something just to, you know, permeate throughout the house. So yeah. Also, I've kind of revamped my kitchen just a little bit, and decluttering such things, I threw away a lot of things, and I needed some more baking sheets, cookie sheets, and this was a set of 3. Got that. Hopefully they serve their purpose and they're really non-stick. Up next, as far as the kitchen is concerned, I needed a new rug when I'm washing dishes. Y'all know y'all can't just stand on any old rug. You can't just stand on the basic floor of your kitchen when you washing dishes. You need a mat, and I found this one on Amazon. It's like memory foam or whatever. Greatly needed, and it was on sale. And last but not least, again with the decluttering, throwing away stuff, giving away stuff, and I've been seeing these pans with the little removable handle. These are the pans. This is one of them. I think this is like the little saucepan, and then the bigger pan, top for the smallest saucepan, frying pan, as well as a bigger frying pan. So you got this one. So 4 pans in total with 2 tops, and you get 2 handles. So it's open, and you can essentially just put this anywhere on the pan. I just like this because it's just easily transferable to the oven. Cooking something on the stove and just boom, throw it in the oven. So you just put it on there and you just lock. Ooh wee, hey pans. So that's everything that I ordered today from Amazon. I'm gonna clean this stuff up and put it away, and it's 12:48. I think I got a meeting that I might call into, might not call into, but I'm definitely gonna finish editing. I want to get that video done today so that I can post it for y'all tomorrow, so that y'all will see it by the time this video goes up. Yeah, let me clean up real quick.
So casually keep diving into concrete, so bittersweet, huh? Keep losing sleep while driving in the backseat. What's left of me? Drowning in what feels just like an ocean. Negativity is getting closer. Hard to keep the heat when it gets colder, you know. Sometimes everything just gets hard. Sometimes everything just gets harder. Feeling like I'm missing some parts. Days just keep on getting much darker.
So got all that stuff cleaned up, washed the dishes, put the floor mat on the floor, swept the floor, answered the 3 emails I had, transferred some footage that I was editing, repackaged those 2 outfits that I'm going to be sending back to Amazon. I'm so disappointed with Friend. Amazing. It's supposed to be amazing. But on another note, a couple of you guys have been inquiring in the comments about my eczema and how it's doing, and I just wanted to give y'all a quick little update or whatever. So the bane of my existence as far as my eczema goes is my hands. It's the only place that it is currently and has been for the past 5-6 years or so. This is the current state of my hands, and kind of on my wrist too. And I think this is pretty decent. However, I will say that I believe me getting back into my workouts has helped a lot. Starting to take a probiotic again has worked out. I've also been using a lot of the same products in the last update that I shared with you guys. If you guys haven't seen that video, I will link it here. I'm gonna link it up there somewhere if y'all want to go watch that video just to see where I'm coming from and where I'm at. I think there's definitely a change, and I mean a change is in I've really just noticed that it's looking new. Like it looks like it's trying to come back in. My hands are dry as hell anyway. It's the winter time. As y'all can see, it's snow on the ground where I'm at, so yeah, I'm just a dry motherfucker. But the products that I'm still using, tried and true, again, like I said, I linked that video, boom, boom, somewhere on this screen. This Cetaphil lotion. This is Sheer Hydration Body Spray Moisturizer. I'm still rocking the Eucerin Original Healing Lotion, especially after I wash my hands. This is just a really good formula. It's super thick and I like it. Also, when I get out of the shower, faithfully, I'm rocking the Aveeno Skin Relief Moisturizing Lotion. Still using that, and like I said, it's only on my hands, and I believe it's because I'm continuously washing them throughout the day. But also, I think that probiotic is helping. I think me sweating it out is helping. I think me taking my greens is helping. Like, I attribute it to all of these things just because I was doing all of these things faithfully before I stopped randomly. What is life? life be lifing, and it just came back. And when it came back, it was everywhere. Like I had it all right here, it was just everywhere, and it won't cute. But it's seeming to clear up. Like I'm starting to look like a human again. Like I'm starting to get human skin again. I'm no longer a reptile. I'm shedding that tough, thick skin that once was my eczema. And I like that for me. But yeah, that is my eczema update for anybody who was wondering. It is 1:55. I still got about 20 to 30 minutes before I need to go get Gia. So I'm gonna just continue to edit until then. Before I head out to get Gia, I forgot that I do need to find something to eat for dinner. So I don't know what it's giving on this good Thursday. Is it giving fun nuggets? Is it giving mozzie sticks? It's not giving shrimp. It's not giving chicken wings. We had fish earlier this week. It's not giving crab legs. It's not giving Heyy Cousin. I don't even know why that's in there, y'all. Is it giving tater tots? Oh, it might be giving teriyaki chicken and sticky rice with some vegetables. That might be the move. I think that's the move. Wanna do my crossing polite, but I'm ready. Hey, baby, come and show me how it's done. It's just you and me, one-on-one, nice and dirty. Late nights on the sofa, watching a soap opera. I feel your hands on my body. Wish we were getting naughty. Oh, I'm just getting started. Thinking about how. Hey, Gia.
Quick, easy day.
Feels so right. Been dreaming all night. Could you be mine? We can go up, or we can go down. Left or right, do or die. Come on, don't be shy. We can go up, or we can go down. Left or right, do or die. Come on, don't be shy. Baby, come and be with me tonight. I don't wanna come across impolite, but I'm ready. Hey, baby, come and show me how it's done. It's just you and me, one-on-one, nice and dirty. The things you're doing to me, it's like something I need a snack. That yogurt granola don't do nothing. It's like ice cream. But yeah, I'm about to eat some turkey and some Asiago cheese and some Triscuits. Gia is upstairs eating her snack, and then she is going to get in the bathtub, and I'm just gonna edit, eat this, and finish watching Married to Medicine.
Your eyes tell me that you don't wanna leave just yet. No, my eyes agree. It's almost like when we first met. Oh, I don't care, it's getting too late.
All right, cousin, so this is where I'm gonna leave you guys. Thank you guys so much for spending this Thursday with me, just seeing what I be doing or whatever. I don't really be doing nothing, but that is a day in my life. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and of course, if you're a real one, then I will be seeing you in my next one, cousin. Peace, y'all.
Me wanna say, damn, and yeah, you know what's up.